Do you know what a neural network is? Simply put, it's a type of machine learning algorithm that's designed to recognize patterns and relationships in data. Neural networks are composed of multiple layers of interconnected nodes or neurons, each of which performs a simple, specific function. By adjusting the weights of the connections between the neurons, the network can learn to classify, predict, or generate new data. Neural networks are particularly good at handling complex and unstructured data, such as images, speech, time series, and natural language. They're inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, which is why they're sometimes called artificial neural networks. So, if you're interested in AI and machine learning, neural networks are a key concept to understand. Neural networks are a powerful tool for building intelligent systems that can learn from data. They're behind many of the AI applications you use every day, from virtual assistants to recommendation engines. So there you have it. What are neural networks in 60 seconds?